Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sat in my AMG G63 and next to me is another AMG G63, though it doesn't look normal. I wonder who could possibly own that. Let's find out, as if we didn't know already. Hello, person in the slightly different looking AMG G63. Can you tell me who you are?
Hi Matthew, it's Yianni from Yianni.
Well, there's a surprise.
What have you done to your car? It looks a bit different than mine.
So it's got a full urban body kit with urban Vossen wheels with a one-of-one jumbo carbon weave. You'll never see this looking carbon again.
So it's quite interesting that we've both got the same cars, yet I think...
They both very much suit our personalities. So I've got a bright red one with a cream interior. You've got like a murdered out black one with extra bits on it. In terms of under the bonnet, they're exactly the same though, aren't they? 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 585 horsepower, 850 newton meters of torque. You've not tuned yours, have you, Yianni?
I'm going to be honest with you. I was so tempted to tune mine. And I thought to myself, I reckon I could style it to just about beat you and you'd never know. But because I know the girls are going to race as well, my missus is just going to put her foot to the floor and she would have just pulled it away by length. So I was like, you know what, let me keep it standard.
And let's have a proper race. However, my car has got...
big kit on it, spoilers, so I don't know who's going to win.
So this is the excuses coming out already. I think Yianni's just explained that basically this is a two-part video. What we're going to do first of all is see who has the quickest reactions between me and Yianni. We've got the same car. We're going to do a standing quarter mile drag race, see what happens. And then we're going to get our girlfriends to race each other.
Well, when you say girlfriend, mine's actually my fiance, but she'll be my wife by the time you guys are watching this video.
Shall we get on with the race then? See who's
got the best reactions out of me and you.
Before we do, guys, vote below, right? Who you think's going to win this, me or Yianni, right? Okay, let's get on with the video. Now, before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, follow me on Instagram at Matt Watson Cars. Let's do this. Come on, Team Matt.
Buying a new car? Head to Carwow to get offers from the UK's top dealers. carwow.co.uk, the car buying comparison site.
We're going to do a sound check because while these cars are the same, along with the body kit, Yianni's also fitted a sports exhaust. This is what my car with a standard exhaust in noisy mode sounds like. Pretty fruity.
Come on, Yianni, let's have a listen to your car.
Well, I think that's 1-0 to you already, mate. So hopefully I can do better in the drag race.
On a level, how much pressure have you put on your missus for this race?
See, I said to my missus, you lose, we ain't getting married.
Are you going to have your foot down on the accelerator and release the brake?
Or are you up?
Hello? Hey, answer that question.
I'm not answering it.
All right, okay. All right.
Oh, he beat me off the bloody line despite all that sod.
Yes. Got it. Reaction time was quicker.
Were you just psyching me out with all that? How do you do this? How do you do that? You just absolutely nailed me off the line, you git.
All about the reaction time. And to be fair, you could see it's not tuned because you were sticking with me, but obviously your reaction was so slow.
Can I just do it one more time, please?
You know what the best thing is? It's in front of your missus.
Shame.
3, 2, 1.
I think I might have jumped it.
Oh! Come on! Oh, it's the reaction time. It's who gets away first.
We'll find out in a moment from the invigilator.
Literally in the same car.
Invigilator, can you just check, did I jump that?
I might have done. Very close. Almost too close to call.
So in other words, you're going to give it me. Best 2 out of 3, come on.
Moments later.
Actually, do you know what we should do? That's 1 each, right? Let's not do 2 out of 3. Let's get the girls in now and they can decide it for us.
Okay, cool, let's do it.
More moments later.
Well, everyone, I'd like to introduce you to Jo. This is my girlfriend.
Hi.
Joe's going to race. No pressure, Joe. So it's one each to me and Yianni. So it's going to be between you and his fiancée. So let me just actually get Yianni to introduce his fiancée.
Can you introduce your missus, please?
So, ladies and gentlemen at home, this is the beautiful Stephanie, my fiancée and wife, while you're watching this right now.
Yay.
He did a much better introduction than me, didn't he? You're making me look bad. I was just like, hey guys, this is Jo, she's my girlfriend. Anyway.
Sorry.
Do you want to practice race starting these cars? Because Joe hasn't really done it, and I'm sure that probably Steph hasn't either. Do you want to go first?
Yeah, we'll go first.
Yeah, watch this, Joe. Just watch.
I know.
3, 2, 1.
She's good.
Go, 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 go. Forward! Why'd you do that? Don't take your foot off the accelerator.
Sorry.
All right, come off the accelerator slowly, slowly.
All you do is just hold it on the brake,
Yeah.
throw the throttle, then you lift off the brake and keep the wheel straight. That is all my job is. That's all I do.
Whatever you do, even if you're worried and you think it's going to crash, still keep your foot on the accelerator.
Do you prefer it in red or black?
Black.
What?
I don't know whether you're playing it down or not. I think Joe's going to be some next
Really?
racing driver.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Let's keep an eye on, let's see what she does.
Bit more throttle. Oh, that's it. That's what you see your boost up there. Now lift off the brake. And that's it.
That's good.
Wow, that looks fast.
That was perfect.
Yeah?
It's all about boost. Boost. Remember boost.
You got this, you got this, you got this. Go, baby, go.
3,
Build your boost. Now more.
2, 1.
More boys. Go. Too late. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh!
Damn it. You won't catch it now.
Hoping you didn't jump the start.
That's done. No, you didn't. You shouldn't back off here.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
That's the end.
Yeah, but you don't back off
I've already
before it.
lost, haven't I?
I'm hoping she didn't jump the start there. Wow, that was quick.
I don't think she jumped the start at all. We were just busy conversing. While
I
the
was too
start
busy
was happening.
looking at the blooming boost.
My girl, hey. I guess we're gonna do that again.
No, I'll just shut up now.
Yeah, don't say a word.
Okay, I'll just look out the window this way.
Has Matt got his back to her?
I'm not allowed to talk or anything. I can't even look at her.
I blame you, Matt,
Hold
straight
your
away.
breath.
Joe, totally Matt's fault.
Listen, in a minute you're going to be racing Steph.
And depending on how that goes, there may be no wedding.
It's so funny, isn't it?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, I did it again.
Again,
Come on!
I'm so quick.
Bloody boost.
Stay. Let me see what you do. Go. 110.
I want another go.
You're backing off too soon.
I've lost.
What do you want, Joe?
One more go. I can't lose every time.
I bet your missus will probably beat me, actually.
Why don't I race Matt?
Give Joe one more go, right? And then you're going to race Yianni.
3, 2, 1.
Good.
Oh, yes! Come on! Oh, we still got you! Come on! Oh, it's close!
Come on! His aerodynamics are working against it. Keep going.
Oh, it's close!
Wait, do not stop.
Oh, you got it. I think you got it.
I think it was neck and neck. But unfortunately, mate, your body kit.
Gave you a bit too much drive. drag. And that's why you lost that one.
You did it that time, Jake. Finally! High five.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, at the third attempt, and without my interfering, Joe actually got a decent launch, and both cars did the standing quarter mile in 12.5 seconds. But who crossed the line first? Was it Joe, or was it Steph? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're at it, why don't you also let me know why you think Yianni and Steph were wearing Yianni masks in the last race? Because I'm not sure.
Now we're going to have a rolling race. We're in third gear, 50 miles an hour, sports mode. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! That was a bit premature on the gear change. Keep going because we're ahead now. I think you got it better. Wait till it flashes like crazy.
Stay. Change.
Not yet. Change! Yes! Your aero sucks. That's it, we won that one. That's fine. We'll leave it there.
Do you know what's really weird there? The gear change was so slow.
Are you in all the gear, like Sport Plus and everything? The same as yours, it's just the way it is.
Right, now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. You know the routine. So it's nice and level.
Stay, you are. Keep accelerate a little bit more.
The line is coming. You just floor that brake. Back off, you're going too quick.
Keep going. Ready?
Brake.
Brake.
That was quite an interesting brake test. Like Joe was doing about 80 miles an hour when should have been doing 70.
Steph just slowed down gradually.
Do you know what? I'm going to let the viewers decide which girl they think won overall because Steph was nailing
those drag races, and so I'm trying to give Joe a little bit of chance by
winning the rolling race.
Hold on, the drag races was your fault.
Yeah, well, of course it was my fault. Everything that's bad is my fault.
Left my own devices. I did it well.
Yeah, you did it well. That's true. But Yianni, I want to see you race Steph.
I want to see what happens there.
A few moments later.
Matt, I love her so much, but I'm not going to let her beat me.
As soon as my hands are at the top, you go, okay? As soon as my hands reach that top position, you just go, and he won't be ready. You got it?
Got it.
You look nervous. You're going to be fine.
It's because I'm him.
Yeah, you're going to be fine.
I can't see him, he keeps moving with the pillar.
3, 2, 1.
He's such a cheat.
Come on!
Go on, baby!
Come on, I got him!
Wow, my car looks nice.
Come on!
Go on, baby, don't forget to stop now.
Woo!
Yay, you won. Well done.
Is the wedding still on?
It's still on, baby. You're top driver. Well done.
She's just gone and beaten him. This is like his day job almost, and she comes along and beats him. So Joe shouldn't feel too bad that Steph was so good on the start. Looks like Steph is the best at drag racing. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know some of the drag races you'd like to see in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to turn new notifications on. And check out Yianni's channel, Yianni Mice. Maybe I'll do some more stuff with Steph there where she can beat him again. Thanks for watching.
I love it. I'm pleased. I don't know. My reaction time. Do you know what it is? Because I was in your car, I had your reaction time.
Yeah.